Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to watch Netflix while you're playing games on the PlayStation 5. And this is really easy to do. So I'm in Rocket League right now. I'm going to press the PlayStation button, then go to Game Base right here. And then I'm going to go down to Messages, and you simply just need to send a URL to a friend or another account. So I have this account right here, search-browser. Then I'm going to go ahead and select, and then you can search for this account too. This is just for URLs that I've created. And you can go to enter name right here, search-browser. Or if you just have a friend's account, simply just send a URL to it and go to enter message and go to netflix.com and then type this in, just like this, then add .com. And you will be able to open up the web browser link now. So here's netflix.com. And I've done this with YouTube in the past and Twitch and then Bing. So let's go to netflix.com now. It'll open up the web browser. Now we're going to have to sign in. So if you have your phone near, this will be a lot easier than typing in manually on your PlayStation. So let's go to sign in. Then type in the email address and the phone number right here. And then once you bring this open and you start playing the video, it will be really easy. But it's going to look something similar to this. So when you have the video playing, press options and then go to resize card right here. And then it will be center in the middle. And we want to go to options again. We want to go to pin to side now. And then pin our video to the side. And then you can start playing your games on your PlayStation 5 while you have the video up on the right side here. Then you can press the PlayStation button twice real quick, and then you'll be able to gain access to the web page real quick. Then you can press options. You can go to exit pin to side. Press options again and go to close card. And that will remove it from your PlayStation. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.